Welcome back, everybody, for another deep dive. And, today we're going to be talking about something that's been in the news a lot lately, and it's AI. And specifically how AI is changing the business world right now, like not in some far-off future, but today.
Yeah, we've been hearing about AI for a while now, but this feels like a turning point.
It does, right. And so that's why we're doing this deep dive. We're going to be focusing on something called autonomous agents, and we're going to be looking closely at Microsoft's recent announcement about their AI platform Copilot and its new agent capabilities. Yeah,
Yeah, so to start off, maybe we should just define exactly what we mean by
yeah,
agents.
what are these agents that everyone's talking about?
Well, essentially, an autonomous agent is an AI program that is designed to carry out tasks and processes automatically. You can kind of think of it like a supercharged software bot that can handle all sorts of digital work without human intervention.
Okay, so like a personal assistant who can work 24/7 and never asks for a raise.
Exactly. And what's really exciting is that Microsoft's Copilot Studio allows companies to build their own custom agents tailored to their specific needs.
So companies can essentially create their own AI workforce.
That's right. And the amazing thing is, this isn't just some futuristic concept. Companies are already using these agents and seeing real tangible results.
Okay, so give me some examples. How are businesses actually using these agents? And what kind of impact are they seeing?
Well, take Lumen Technologies, for instance. They're projecting annual savings of $50 million thanks to Copilot sales agents.
$50 million. That's a serious chunk of change. What are these agents doing to generate those kinds of savings?
Well, they're automating a lot of the tasks that salespeople typically handle,
Yeah.
like qualifying leads, scheduling meetings, and even generating sales proposals. This frees up the human sales team to focus on more strategic activities, like building relationships and closing deals.
So it's not about replacing human jobs, but rather augmenting them and making those jobs more efficient.
Exactly. And it's not just Lumen. Honeywell, for example, is seeing productivity gains, equivalent to adding 187 full-time employees.
Wow. So it's almost like they've hired a whole new department of AI workers. What kinds of tasks are they using agents for?
Well, Honeywell is using agents for a variety of tasks, including managing their supply chain, monitoring equipment performance, and even providing customer support. And then there's Fenostra, which is a financial software company. They've managed to reduce their creative production time from 7 months to just 7 weeks by using AI agents.
7 months to 7 weeks. That's incredible. But what about smaller businesses? Can they afford to get in on this AI action, or is this just for the big players?
That's what's so interesting about Microsoft's latest announcement. They're releasing 10 new pre-built agents in Dynamics 365, which is their business applications platform. And these are specifically designed for sales, service, finance, and supply chain teams, meaning even smaller businesses can leverage AI without having to build agents from scratch.
So no need to hire a team of AI engineers. That's good news for a lot of businesses. Tell me more about these pre-built agents. What can they actually do?
Well, let's delve into a couple of them that might be particularly interesting. First up is the sales qualification agent. This agent helps prioritize leads, meaning it helps salespeople figure out which potential customers are most likely to buy. It also automates outreach, sending emails and scheduling meetings, freeing up salespeople to focus on building relationships and closing deals.
That sounds like a dream for any sales team I know. No more endless hours sifting through leads trying to figure out who's actually interested.
Exactly. And then there's the supplier communications agent. This one's all about optimizing the supply chain and preventing disruptions. It can autonomously track supplier performance, detect potential delays, and even handle communication with suppliers, keeping everything running smoothly.
That's incredible. So these are just two examples. But there are 8 other pre-built agents in Dynamics 365, each designed to tackle specific business challenges. It really sounds like Microsoft is making AI accessible to a much wider audience.
Absolutely, and I think that's a key takeaway here. AI is no longer this exclusive technology reserved for tech giants and research labs. It's becoming increasingly democratized, which means businesses of all sizes can now leverage its power. It's like having an AI supply chain manager, working 24/7.
That's incredible. So these are just two examples. But there are 8 other pre-built agents in Dynamics 365, each designed to tackle specific business challenges. It really sounds like Microsoft is making AI accessible, much wider audience.
Absolutely. And I think that's a key takeaway here. AI is no longer this exclusive technology reserved for like tech giants and research labs. It's becoming increasingly democratized, which means businesses of all sizes can now leverage its power.
Yeah, this is all really exciting. But let's be realistic for a moment. There are always concerns when you start talking about AI, especially when it comes to things like data privacy and security. Are these agents handling sensitive information responsibly?
Yeah, that's a crucial question, and one that Microsoft is taking very seriously. These agents are built with strict data governance and security measures in place. IT administrators have the tools to control and monitor agent activity, ensuring that everything stays within the bounds of responsible AI practices.
So there are safeguards in place to prevent these agents from going rogue or misusing data.
Exactly. Microsoft understands the importance of building trust and ensuring that AI is used ethically and responsibly.
Okay, that's reassuring to hear. But let's shift gears for a moment and talk about Microsoft's own AI journey. Are they actually using Copilot and these agents internally, or is this just something they're selling to other businesses?
Oh, that's a great point. And the answer is a resounding yes. Microsoft is fully embracing its own AI tools. In fact, they're seeing some pretty impressive results. Their sales teams are reporting higher revenue and closing more deals thanks to Copilot. Their customer service teams are resolving issues faster, and their marketing team is achieving higher conversion rates on their website, using a custom-built agent to assist potential buyers.
So they're not just talking the talk, they're walking the walk. That definitely gives their claims more credibility. It sounds like they're really committed to this AI transformation, both internally and for their customers.
Absolutely. They see AI as a core part of their future,
Yeah.
and they're investing heavily in making it a reality.
Well, this has been a fascinating deep dive so far. It feels like we're witnessing a major shift in how businesses operate, and AI is right at the center of it all. So what does this all mean for our listeners? Why should they care about these AI agents?
That's the key question. It comes down to this. What repetitive tasks in your work or life could an AI agent handle, freeing you up for more strategic, creative, or fulfilling activities? Imagine having an AI assistant that can automate your email responses, schedule your meetings, generate reports, or even analyze data.
It's like having a tireless digital assistant who can handle all the tedious tasks that bog us down. That would free up so much time and mental energy.
Yeah, and the beauty of it is that these tools, they are becoming more accessible than ever. You don't need a degree in computer science
Oh.
to start using them.
So where can our listeners go if they want to explore these AI wonders? Where should they start if they want to learn more about these AI agents and how to use them?
Well, Microsoft's Copilot Studio, that's a great place to start. It's a platform where you can actually build and customize your own AI agents. And if you're not ready to dive into the technical side, you can explore the pre-built agents in Dynamics 365. I think they're a fantastic way to see the power of AI in action and just get a feel for how these agents can automate tasks and improve efficiency.
I'm personally feeling incredibly inspired after this deep dive. It really feels like we're at the dawn of a new era. And it's exciting to think about the possibilities that AI is unlocking.
I completely agree. It's a time of tremendous change. And I think the key for businesses and individuals alike is to embrace this new technology and explore how it can help us work smarter, not harder.
Work smarter, not harder. I
Yeah.
love that. Well, to our amazing listeners, we challenge you to think big, think bold, and explore the incredible world of AI agents. Who knows? You might just discover the key to unlocking your next breakthrough.
Thanks for joining us on this deep dive. Until next time, stay curious.